was in fact
prosecutor.
Filipino?
Well,
Sabi,
to their
national.
understanding, it's competent judicial
Yung
authority
ICC
under the ICC.
prosecutor na Pakistani English naging Pinoy?
Well,
Sure ka?
ma'am, they have a different way of looking at judicial authority in the ICC. That's why the
Isang
form.
tingin lang makikita mo, hindi naman Pilipino yung prosecutor nila, pambira naman.
Madam Chair, I just would like to advise Ambassador Lacanilao that, alam mo, kami dito, hindi kami nagsasite in contempt porque ayaw namin yung sagot mo. Hindi po namin ugali yan dito. Kaya huwag kang maglala, hindi kita cite in contempt. Hindi ako magmumosyon. Hindi ako magmumosyon na cite in contempt ka. Fair kami dito lumaban. Fair ang labanan dito. At hindi po kami mag-abuso sa aming power. Huwag kang maglala. Gusto ko lang. Kaya pinaulit-ulit ko. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga na magsabi ka ng totoo. Pero kung yun ang totoo, as far as you are concerned, then okay lang sa akin yun. Sige lang. But hindi po kami abusado dito ha, na ikakontempt ka kahit porque hindi ko gusto yung sagot mo. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, nagtitiisan tayo. Si Asik Miko Clavano, sinabi nung March 13, ang naging role namin